What's going on, guys? We are back and better than ever. Got Gerard here. We got Rylan on the backyard mini ramp, working his way through the basic mini ramp tricks. Learned rock to fakie last time. What are we working on today?
Tail stall.
Tail stall. Have you tried tail stalls before?
Yeah.
Have you landed a tail stall before?
Kinda.
Kind of. What do you think you got to do different?
Lean into it when it like that way.
Okay, so
you
kind
get
of
up
lean
to it.
lean back a little bit more to actually get into the stall. All right, let's get it. All right, dude, trick number 2, tail stall in the books. How's it feel, dude?
Feels really good.
Woo! What was the difference?
I leaned in more and also I stopped turning my shoulders. Oh, also looking back at my feet when I was putting it back, that helped a lot. That was like the biggest thing.
Oh, nice. So it's funny, it's one of those things you don't even think about when you're skating a lot of times, but where you look can determine if you get into a stall or you don't. So by actually looking at your foot when you go into it, helps you get in the stall. So trick number 2 down for Rylan. Amazing. He's working his way through the basics. Next time, maybe we'll see if we can put them together. Tail stall, rock to fakie. Put another one down, dude. Let's go. Nice work.
Thank you.
Woo! Trick
This
number
video
2.
is sponsored by Starburst. Eat it.
No.